Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix the Viber network connection error on your device. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your device settings. This is where you'll be able to adjust the necessary permissions and network configurations that might be causing the connection issue. Once you're in settings, tap on Apps. This section gives you access to all the applications installed on your device and allows you to manage their individual settings and permissions. Next, tap on See All Apps. This will display a complete list of every app on your phone, making it easier to locate Viber among all your installed applications. Now find Viber in the list and tap it. This opens up Viber's specific app settings where you can control its permissions, data usage, and other important features. Once you're inside Viber's settings, tap on Mobile Data Usage. This option controls how Viber uses your mobile data and whether it can run in the background. Then tap the toggle button for background data to turn it on. This is crucial because it allows Viber to maintain its connection even when you're not actively using the app. Also, toggle on unrestricted mobile data usage. Enabling this ensures that Viber won't be limited by any data restrictions your system might have in place, which often causes connection errors. Now go back to the home settings screen. You'll need to adjust your network settings to ensure your device is using the optimal connection type. Tap on Network and Internet. This section manages all your connectivity options including Wi-Fi, mobile data, and SIM settings. Then tap SIMs. If you have multiple SIM cards, you'll see them listed here so you can configure each one individually. Tap on the SIM you're currently using for Viber. This lets you access the specific network settings for that particular SIM card. Now tap on Preferred Network Type and select the recommended option like 5G or LTE depending on what's available in your area. Choosing the right network type ensures you're getting the strongest and most stable connection possible, which directly impacts Viber's performance. After that, tap on Access Point Names. This setting controls how your device connects to your carrier's network. Sometimes these settings can become corrupted or misconfigured, leading to connection issues with apps like Viber. To fix this, tap the three dots in the upper right corner. A menu will appear with several options. From this menu, tap Reset to Default. This restores your APN settings to their original configuration, which often resolves underlying network connection problems that affect specific apps. And that's it. You've successfully adjusted all the necessary settings to fix your Viber network connection error. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.